Are you tired of digging through Gusto settings to assign training? Enroll your whole team in a course in under 3 minutes. First, we'll access the company dashboard, then open People and Learning, view the course, and finally enroll your selected team members. First things first, go ahead and open Gusto, and make sure you're on the company dashboard to get started. From the dashboard, click on People to access your team list. Then, click on Learning to see what courses are waiting. Click View Course Info to get a closer look at the course details. Last but not least, click Enroll Team Members. Then choose the people you'd like to enroll, and you're done. Enjoy! If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.